Let's make a collar and a collar stand for a shirt. So to make a collar and a collar stand, you will need, first of all, your shirt, the round neck of your shirt. You will measure it, have to measure it right round to get the round neckline of the shirt you want to sew. This is the round neckline of my shirt I want to sew. So you take a ruler and measure it right round. I've done my own, and what I got was 22. Measure it right round from the beginning of the neck, round neck, to the end. And when I measure my own, I got 22. So with that 22, you will divide it into two. Then first of all, you're going to make a straight line here, a horizontal line, as your starting line. Make a horizontal line like this, straight. That is where you will start your measurement. So, like I said, you will get your 22 divided by 2, and it will give you 11. So we'll mark 11 here. The neckline divided by 2, it gave us 11, and we'll mark it right here. Okay, then that's 11, we divide it by 2, and it will give us 5.5 or 5.5. That's this point. This is the point of 11. Then in this end, you rule up a line of 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You take this line here, or by 4.5 inches, or 4.5. Okay, this line is 4.5 inches. Then you come up here and make the same line of 4.5 inches. We are doing this to get a very good block where we're going to pattern out our neckline, our collar and the stand. Having done all this, then we'll take the height of our collar stand, that is 1.2. You can all see it, 1.2. I hope you are seeing it. Yeah. 1.2, then you will mark it here. Then you also take that 1.2 to this place. To this place. Then you will go up from this end, this point, go up with 1 inch. Then you will use your ruler. Let's see, use your curve ruler. If you don't have, you can use your free hand and just connect these 2 points with a line like this. Then you come up here with 1 inch as well. Okay, then you take this line here. You can use a curve, make it with a curve, like this. Yeah, this will be okay. Yeah, make it with a curve like this to this place. You mark 1 inch. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Then you as well take it up from this middle line to this 1 inch here. But I don't have the right curve for it, but I'll still use what I have. Take it off from this middle point to meet it up with this place, okay? Then you come in from this center 1 inch here. You can present that one with a dotted line or a straight line, okay? Then you're going to come in here with like ½ inch, with about ½ inch. You're going to make a curve, a very good curve. You can start it somewhere here and make a curve like this, okay? Just something like this. Just make a curve like this, okay? Don't mind my environment, I will try. Make a curve like this. Then you measure here to get your collar stand. You see, I place it on that point. I place it on this point. Measure it. You give me 2.5. The length of my collar is 2.5. The tip of it, 2.5. Then you make a straight line there, like this. Then you come here. The length of my collar stand this time. Remember, this is the collar stand. This is the collar itself we're trying to make. Now the length of the collar itself, I want my own to be 1.5. So to achieve that, let's come up here again. Remember this point where we started the other one. Let's come up here with 1 inch. So from there again, I want the length of my collar to be 1.5, like I said. You'll mark your 1.5 from this second 1 inch up here. Just follow it clearly. It's not just follow me, you understand. Then you will make a line, a curved line from here to meet this point. If you have your curved line, you can use it. If you don't have, you can as well use your free hand and make that curve. I'm trying to see if this can give me what I actually want. I think it's okay. Yeah, something like this. Okay. So you curve it just like this to meet this line. Okay. Then your collar is getting ready. We won't leave the collar like this. So we're going to mark it out. You make a point. Remember this center line here. This center line here. You can use your brain and just mark it somewhere here. Then you start your curve like this. And okay, this will be your guide. Like you're coming up now, you're coming up like this. Then this is our collar and this is our collar stand. We don't need these ones, all this line here, we don't need it. You're going to cut it out. All this line, we'll cut all this line out. We'll make use of it. We don't need it. As well, these ones, all this line, we don't need them. All these places, we don't need it. But before we cut it, I want to show that there's another thing you can still do. If you don't want your collar to be straight like this, you can come out here with ½ inch. You see some collars, they will have point head here. They'll be pointed in this direction. Then if you want to achieve that, you have to come out here with ½ inch. Then you rule that line straight like this to meet this starting point here. Make sure it's straight. But there's some that curve their own. That's for ladies. But this one I'm making it for a man. It's a male shirt. So that is if you want it to be pointed like this. But if you don't want it, you can avoid this one. This is the one I want to make use of now. So we are going to cut. Let's cut it out. But I hope it's clear. If you have any question, if you are confused in any way, you can ask me in the comment section. Like I said, this is the collar, your collar stand here. This is your collar. It's clear. I hope it's clear, guys. But if you have any confusion or you are confused in any way, don't waste time to ask me in the comment section. So we are cutting. Just follow the way I'm cutting it. That's where we're going to cut yours. Just gently cut according to all the line you roll, and you have a perfect collar and a collar stand at the end of the cutting. Like I said, I don't want this pointed. I want the straight one. I don't need it. So I'm going to take the one I want. Okay. So let's finish the collar stand first of all. Collar. Let's cut out this one all out. So this is it. Now your collar is now ready. The only thing you will just do is just take it the way it is now and go and place it on your collar stay. Your collar stay. You open it up, place it on your collar stay. See what you have here. Place it on your collar stay. Like this, then you use it and get this, cut this thing with your collar stay the way it is. This one also with your collar stay. Then you place it on the material which you want to use to make your shirt collar. Okay, see how it's going to be by the time you are finished sewing it. So by the time you have finished sewing it, it will give you something like this. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, don't hesitate to like, comment, share and follow for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.